Here's how to install and use the brushes for Blender 4.3 and higher. Extract the downloaded file in any drive you prefer. You'll see 3 items: the main folder containing all the brushes, a notepad file with installation instructions, and a model you can use to quickly test the brushes. Now open Blender, and after that, press F4 on your keyboard and import the OBJ file, the test model. Now go to Sculpt mode. You can change the matte cap to something near to metal. In Blender version 4.3 and later, you'll see the default Blender brushes at the bottom of the screen. We're gonna add our own brushes too, so open Preferences, then go to File Paths. In Asset Libraries, hit the plus icon, and locate the folder you've extracted the brushes. Open the folder and click on it Asset Library. Close Preferences and click on that hamburger icon. Now enable the catalog for the brushes you just added. And that's it, the brushes have been added to your Blender and are ready to use. As you can see, they're nicely organized into categories too. Since the model doesn't have enough vertices, we can't really see the brush effect properly. So, I'll apply a multi-resolution modifier and subdivide it twice.